What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to find the code to the keypad that's on the outside of the driver's door on a Ford Expedition. This is a 2021 Ford Expedition here, but will be the same on a few different years. So the method we're going to be looking at today requires two working keys. And the first thing we want to do is go over to the cup holder, and in the front cup holder, we're going to remove the little rubber piece that's in the bottom. And that's going to show what the owner's manual refers to as the backup slot in the bottom there. So we're going to grab our first key and place it in the backup slot like that. Now we're going to come over here and turn the ignition to the on position. So we're going to press the stop start button one time without pressing the brake. And we're going to listen for it to stop dinging. Once it stops dinging, turn the ignition off. Remove the first key, grab your second key, put it in there the same way, and turn the ignition to the on position. Then if you take a look at the dash, it'll show you your factory keypad code right there. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.